Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to accept a friend request that you have received on the Steam application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam app on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you may proceed forward with your user ID and your password. Now, once you are logged in, if you have received any friend requests, you can find them within the Friends tab at the top section. You may also check the notifications page at the top right corner where you can find all of the notifications that are on your account. If you have received any friend request, you will be able to find it here as well. Now scroll down and click on Friends and Chat at the bottom right corner, and if you have received any friend request, this will also be visible over here. You can simply click on the Accept button in order to accept any friend request that you have received. And now you will be friends with this user right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to accept a friend request that you have received on your Steam account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.